Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Deputy Chief Minister Ngau Bhalang Dhar holds talks with MC Toda, assures review of cement transport issues. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma lays foundation for Cenotaph in Tura, announces plans to honor fallen Garo soldiers. Nongkrem Dance Festival celebrated with grandeur. Hima Khairim's aim urges youth to preserve their roots. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches 150 years of Vande Mataram celebrations, commemorative stamp, coin and portal unveiled. And India celebrates 100 glorious years of hockey in the national capital. To begin our news bulletin in detail, here are our local stories. Deputy Chief Minister Ngau Bhalang Dhar today chaired a meeting with representatives of the MEGHALAYA Cement Truck Owners and Drivers Association, MC Toda, local leaders and transport stakeholders to discuss the ongoing cement and clinker transport issues. Joined by the deceased and police officials from East and West Janta Hills, Dhar assured that the concerns raised by MC Toda, including the release of detained members, will be carefully reviewed after the association submit its formal resolution in the next meeting.
Tangalayo snow ki plus ki minus ki jingjawa jong gini jong ni. Jakar kumbalong ka meeting galong kabiyang pakayay bet dang ba. Don sekenit dang sahabat ki komiti kan hablek paidol stay kinsim bedisen danang taban ngin lek don kampung sorka. Tadon gi mentai ke balak ban lek, don gi mentai ban ban lek. Ti ke don gi mentai bagi melak pan share di hang handai ka jingnya song meni ka dei. It's a very positive meeting. Tadon ni ka jing di man ki ba hak bedai bagi ni rang ba ni bala saset. Tingi lak pan saya ki Hilip sa kung tape, ay ka di siya ni nirun lek kanaman pala iki. Malumalahay kina komiti kalapang bahi, kinilip niya sa maruk na yung nanisnong jaka. Kini siyong inapakalang ba, nakidap kasi si Disen kaya begin sim din sa panito niya dan labiyang Disen dengan sa process for release. Kana baga nigastay kon sa call, kana next week na like kini nunong ba jong pig president nginiakan bagi simen hak level jong abat. Kanu ko bingila man lek kanang lek babahan ko bahatam nagmutagi nong hipateng jong.
East Janta Hills Deputy Commissioner Shivansh Awasthi has urged the MCT Toda to call off its ongoing strike demanding government transport rates for clinker and cement trucks. He said the administration acted promptly since the strike began on October 27, holding multiple meetings with all stakeholders. While most demands were accepted, interstate transport rates could not be fixed as they fall outside state jurisdiction. The DC said police have been deployed after reports of harassment of truckers and obstruction of goods movement to maintain law and order.
I would like to appeal to MC Toda that while we understand their concerns and we are still open and we are always open for dialogue and with all the stakeholders so that we can find a peaceful resolution to this to their concerns, to their demands. At the same time, we also request them not to obstruct vehicular movement on the national highway further. Within our district jurisdiction of East Janta Hills, we have not received any such reports, but mainly the concern is in the Morinkening area right now. The situation, as far as I am aware, is still volatile. Police is also going for regular patrolling there, and we will ensure close coordination with the police of both West Janta Hills, East Khasi Hills as well as Riboi, so that there is no harm to the drivers who are not supporting the strike, to the associations who are not supporting the strike, And the rest of the two associations, they met me yesterday also and appealed to me that since they want to continue the movement of their goods vehicles, because their livelihood is getting affected since last 1 week because of the strike, they have asked us to ensure that safety for their vehicles, and we have also ensured them that we will provide from our side all the resources available to provide safe transport.
Additional Commissioner J.U. Kharpuri yesterday clarified that the East Janta Hills District Administration has held multiple meetings to address the MC Toda strike over transport rates. Despite efforts to bring all stakeholders together on October 30th, MC Toda refused to attend, while other truck associations chose to cooperate with cement firms. Another meeting on November 3rd saw several of MC Toda's demands accepted, yet the group continued blocking trucks. Kharpuri said police later intervened to ensure smooth movement of vehicles and maintain law and order in the district.
Lalap ba ka MC TODA kala kentat banwan syakani ke jingyalang ban ya lang wat la khot yaka wat haba la ailat ya kani ka seng ban wan lang ban ya merjengmut ha kani ka jingyalang ha ka laitrik unai wing arhajar arhusan ha ka bala peniat da unongsoy harum but lai shim bentalang da ka Janta Hills Cement Manufacturers Association but ka MC Toda ha kani ka jingya kendo la penlong ya ka jingya kran ka babnya halor ka thup jing dawa bala ai da ka MC Toda ki bakun thup yaki ni harum ka jing penprekam ya ki dor kit mar bala penbena da ka sorkar ka jingya da na ka jingkit palat ka jingkit bakongsan na ka benta ki try trok ba marjan kapor yang kali bat kapor up ha ki jaka bu mar ka jingsiu ha kapor ka babyang ya ki bil kit mar bat ka jingbu renti ya ka jingtrei.
MEGHALAYA People's United Front, East Janta Hills President Kirshan Blah has extended full support to MC Toda's ongoing strike, saying the association has every right to demand fair transport rates. He accused cement companies of favoritism and discrimination, alleging that only those with internal links receive better rates and jobs. He also condemned police action during the protests and claimed the government is influenced by cement firms. He appealed for the release of the MC Toda's president and called on members to stay strong and united in their demands.
Ni company berenah po izen tia kemenanung sung-sung juga izen tiang lai ibhar ke khamat ba kini company ong kil namar kile siliang ye kibadon ling ki ai ke babiang ye kibamdon kile akat bamon syong ki breu jongki namar ki pek ye ki breu kin kita ki breu jongki kile ki ai kador babiang ki bamde kile siliang tam ki pek bro ya syong ki thau bro ki pek na ka district dengan ong dari bala mlong ban le har namar ya ka regional district ro de ki breu jong ngilang hi bar khoi kidon hok ban wan ban keren namata kaya kasion kaptam yiki driver ne kaptam yana no don hok tang ni kung basengin no kat lang ngin I'm same kaptam yaga MC Toda inang ya chikmat na di ki jong pi mlele im cha per pin sha kem kat basha kem ro ni kin ngalam nya mat jing ya kaptam ulathir nya mat kawe kejat joong gibro kawe kejat habaman piman ulong yalam kawe chajil kawe jong pajba tengi hamad ni tabat skawer nga peremjur kamtam ya police department ya ka sarkar bagi lale pathar ki lale dusman kamtam ki breu ki prada prasnam jongi.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today laid the foundation stone for the cenotaph construction and beautification at Lower Babupara Tura, joined by Cabinet Ministers and West Garo Hills DC V. Agarwal. Highlighting the memorial significance, the Chief Minister explained that the word cenotaph means empty tomb, symbolizing honor for soldiers who died in distant lands. He announced plans to trace families of fallen soldiers, form a research committee on the Garo Coast history, and collaborate with foreign governments to preserve and document Garo heritage and culture.
The meaning of cenotop is an empty tomb. It's a Greek word which is kenos, which means empty, and topos, which means tomb. And that is what a cenotop represents, which is a war memorial which is put up in the honor of those who were killed in war at a distant location, whose bodies could not be brought back. And therefore, it is a very, very symbolic and a very, very important monument for each and every one of us, especially for the Garo people, when we talk of the cenotop in memory of the Garo Corps right here in Tura in Babupara.
The vibrant spirit of Khasi culture filled Smith, the capital of Hima Khairam, as the annual Nongkrem Dance Festival was celebrated with grandeur and devotion. The 5-day religious festival, Kapomblang's Aim or Shat Nongkrem, honored Kablai Sinshar, the goddess of prosperity. Graceful maidens and warriors in traditional attire performed the sacred dance before a large gathering that included Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong, Nongkrem MLA Arden Miller Basaimot and other dignitaries. Presiding the event's aim of Hima Khairam, Dr. Balajit Singh's aim urged the youth to preserve their roots.
Mikirman ni irangnya iru bang kapil kal nakam klan te bagi no syar kin dunai benya ka pamijim samru ladala de nakam bun chu te namarngi ikot kin no syaru om ton na ka hima jongi ikor na keleng di benta ju kari jongi le bun no syar keleng di benta ju kami sami te na kmin tin morta ba de stang ki makarim na ki makarsi bro bilang bat ka nyam kurkom ko kedem dekat ketem keput kesyar kemen manginyo kan kejubab ko bang hoy naki bin kami bon barkan pencingan yang iru wi siam norta dan cia ka dor wi bat ke norim jong ka thame no barim.
Every year we used to attend this Nongkrem dance, what we call it, and the Hima Khairam, I think one of the biggest Hima, I would say, they do conducting the customary practices every year, and again today is the last day, and being the last day, I think we have seen it, I've experienced it. I used to attend almost every annual event that we have, and I'm so thankful to the CM of Hima Khairam, and also I would like to say that because even myself and my constituency is part of this Hima Khairam, so I'm so proud seeing the turnout of the people during this festival, annual festival, and I'm very sure with this festival that we are having every year, it will bring more blessings to the entire Hima as well as to the state.
Deputy Chief Minister Sngau Bhalang Dhar yesterday distributed 50 laptops to the teaching faculty of Kiang Nangba Government College, fulfilling a personal pledge made earlier. The laptops bought from his own salary aim to enhance digital learning and teaching efficiency. During his visit, Dhar also announced major development plans worth 30 crore rupees, including a new building, auditorium, renovation and upgrading sports facilities. College Principal H. Toy thanked the Deputy Chief Minister for his continued support towards improving education infrastructure.
One of the most disciplined colleges, Kau lo mana kau itu mana kau ini kau nak cuba. Umana uye kau aku punya lai warak. Untuk kamu tahu yuan ni kau ni kelas yang macam tu. Kita tahu nak kau ni cuma tu saya amren baju kelam kau. Penyu student kau kan cakap nak buat pun sini kau tak sampai ni. Kau aku penduduk tu warak. Kau aku ini yuan kau ni warak. Kita tahu the dreams yang kau ni cuma tu. They discuss on how sport minister like improve tremendous sport infrastructure. Kini auditorium rekaman jadi tulang lah hingga estimate dalam function ni yang renovate yang iman lah kamu national auditorium standard. Namun gula ini tangwa milik sindonan kami acak.
Klariat MLA Kirman Shilla yesterday inaugurated the new Senrat branch RMSA secondary school building at Meghhalaya, East Jantia Hills, funded under Samagra Siksha Abhiyan at a cost of 1.15 crore rupees. Speaking at the event, Shilla announced an additional 5 lakh rupees for school fencing and assured power supply soon. He also pledged to work with village elders to improve road connectivity ahead of local festivities, reaffirming the government's priority on strengthening education infrastructure.
Yakin dulu kita kibum road connectivity to chna no yak te sorok upen poi connect yaki wakibi tawan ki sorok ki pero Kena go yuman gete ke chnong go mandi go sa cheden henry uman go connect lang lamba yang kini ki sorop siang ha ko wi ki yig ulai ulithu ya gete ki em kam yang ki kete to ko wi na ki ang not yang chief minister embrom yang I mete daw kani de bon ki proposal jar ki constituency kam ki MLA I de bo ya ki tho yang I ha ko wanga sakat tu kani ha ki chnong ki bom puyo ya kini road connectivity de bo ki tho Ngai skemi yang nilai dah pun kepor, bukan serkar uji kau pentok penteni baru penyo yang gini jing MKM ke yang I.
Nongpo MLA Meryl Bonds Aim inaugurated the long-awaited Pahambir Health and Wellness Centre yesterday, fulfilling the dream of residents from 8 villages under Pahambir area in Rat Nonglingdo to have a proper health care facility. In his address, Meryl Bonds Aim said the new centre will greatly benefit mothers and expectant women by ensuring accessible and affordable health care. He added Riboy, being an aspirational district, continues to receive focused attention to upgrade medical infrastructure and services.
Dili pagsokan India kalajit kapang ya Riboy district untuk nanti aspirational district kebetik. Aku bagian enggak disebut di dengar gimana wan kau ini kau lah di extension building lah di kota society nos tercuit hingga kamu lah pengeluaran dan suara sebentar mengenai health and wellness center HWC disebut di perkelai di mana multiplay dan something more better yang apa multiplay dengan penjeng harap dan dumpaya yang more la multiplay lah senang something more orang akan dia sudah cium de mendadak seni dia cari seni apa layu apa beri banyak.
Deputy Chief Minister Sngau Bhalang Dhar yesterday attended the closing ceremony of the district-level Chief Minister Youth Engagement Programme 2025 at the District Library Auditorium, Jawai. The 2-day event witnessed active participation from youth across all 4 CNRD blocks of West Jantia Hills. Dhar lauded the enthusiasm and talent displayed by participants from all 4 CNRD blocks, stressing that the government is committed to nurturing youth, culture and tradition. The program concluded with the distribution of prizes and certificates to winners who will represent the district at the state-level event.
This is the program which has been focused on the dreams of our Chief Minister. This is the only program we always used to say in short. Hard work, big talents. And this is the one exactly. I already plan to have this type of program a cultural program to represent from all type of section of society in the Giant Hills. Me, like the Garbi, the Pana, the Wan, everything is. And this is under discussion with the Chief Minister also, and the government is very, very keen to have this program. It's a big program, just like a carnival festival. But the system, how to plan, how to go for it is yet under planning as of now.
The Road Safety Week 2025 themed Sarak Suraksha Jivan Raksha concluded in East Janta Hills with a pledge ceremony at the DTO office in Clarion. District Transport Officer V.R. Rinklem urged drivers to follow traffic rules, avoid speeding and use seat belts, stressing that the road safety is a shared responsibility. The week-long campaign, held in collaboration with the district administration and police, aimed to promote safe driving and reduce road accidents.
You promote road safety. How man you name the one to the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway la quite a pununa any accident young income San percent in the years to come by 2030 ma. How do you are jarly power the one quite a Ministry of Road Transport and Highway come on pununa any accident. How would you Hapo India ma come on the traffic sign. The traffic sign la have tip happy how ya agree come on the accident prom area. Mana em gani accident po prom area the boat ke pa signboard. Tau husiar happy driver. Tau take care have no to stay no thog accident prom area mon board sen hani khamat tau ja accident ma prom area over speeding. Kamu ada orang ni over speeding like gobi wajah mostly wajah accident drunken driving. How ya api how might Nepal how ya might teman dar klebi. Hatau lai ben rup how the prapa kundi how.
The IGM Voluntary Blood Donors Organization held a special program to honor voluntary blood donors for their life-saving contributions. South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai lauded the group's humanitarian efforts, assuring full support for their mission. He urged them to stay motivated despite criticism, highlighting the value of kindness and service to society. Community leaders, including Laban headman E. Karwanlang, were also present at the event.
Dalam ambulans, bat kita kemudian, bat kita gerompang, lainnya juga kita pres tiang, yo ke mo, dia pres dari pet dari kamu, bayi dokter yang buat dari kamu senam, buat ada bleeding, biar met, dan lagi bijing pengganti, with due respect mo, kita tiba api kamu gerompang, mo dokter yang buat, kamu nak dokter, lap trot lah, lap stem, dari kamu senam. Life is Mr. Bahido, I enjoy members of the IGM press. Life is Mr.
Now moving on to a story from the Northeast. The 150th anniversary of India's national song Vande Mataram was celebrated with patriotic zeal across the Northeast today. In Assam, Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma led celebration at Janta Bhavan, Guwahati. In Tripura, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha led the mass singing and paid floral tributes to Ma Bharati. Similarly, patriotic celebrations were also held in Meghalaya, Manipur and other northeastern states to mark the historic occasion. The 150th anniversary celebration of Vande Mataram stood as a unifying moment, reaffirming the enduring spirit of freedom, fraternity and pride that the song embodies. Now moving on to a story from the Northeast National News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the year-long commemoration of 150 years of the national song Vande Mataram in New Delhi. He also released a commemorative stamp and coin and launched the portal Vande Mataram 150.in, where citizens can upload their singing videos to receive certificates. The Prime Minister described Vande Mataram as a mantra of unity, courage and devotion, recalling Bankim Chandra's Chattopadhyay's vision of an independent and united India. The celebrations include mass singing events nationwide honoring the song written on November 7, 1875 that continues to inspire national pride and unity.
ये एक शब्द मां भारती की साधना है, मां भारती की आराधना है। वंदे मातरम ये एक शब्द हमें इतिहास में ले जाता है। ये हमारे आत्मविश्वास को, हमारे वर्तमान को आत्मविश्वास से भर देता है और हमारे भविष्य को ये नया हौसला देता है कि ऐसा कोई संकल्प नहीं, ऐसा कोई संकल्प नहीं जिसकी सिद्धि न हो सके, ऐसा कोई लक्ष्य नहीं जो हम भारतवासी पा न सके।
And now we have for you an international story. In a major political development in Nepal, 10 leftist parties have merged to form a unified political entity, the Nepali Communist Party. The merger brings together former Prime Minister Pushpa Kamal Dahal, Prachanda and Madhav Kumar Nepal as coordinator and co-coordinator, adopting Marxism-Leninism as its ideology and a 5-pointed star as its symbol. Madhav Kumar Nepal said the new party will act as a strong progressive force, pledging to defend the constitution and republic while addressing past weaknesses. The merger marked a significant shift in Nepal's left politics ahead of the March 2026 elections.
सम्मानीय प्रधानमन्त्री सुशीला कार्कीज्यूलाई म यही मञ्चबाट भन्न चाहन्छु, तपाईं दृढताका साथ संविधान को रक्षा गर्दै अगाडि बढ्नुहोस्। समयमा निर्वाचन सम्पन्न गर्ने गरी धाँधली रहित, स्वतन्त्र, निष्पक्ष र शान्तिपूर्ण ढंगले निर्वाचन सम्पन्न गर्ने गरी, प्रतिसभाको निर्वाचन सम्पन्न गर्ने गरी अगाडि बढ्नुहोस्। अनि निर्वाचन सम्पन्न भइसकेपछि प्रतिसभाले संविधान निर्माण को 10 वर्ष को अनुभव को समीक्षा गरेर संविधान में संशोधन गर्नुपर्ने आवश्यकता पनि छ। त्यसका कतिपय पक्षहरू हामीले सुधार गर्नुपर्ने आवश्यकता छ।
And finally, here are the sports news. India celebrated 100 years of hockey at the Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium in New Delhi. Union Sports Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya, along with Kiren Rijiju, Udayanti Stalen and 5th President Dato Tayyip Kiram, attended the event. Dr. Mandaviya hailed hockey as a symbol of national pride and reaffirmed government support for the sport. The Sports Minister 11 beat Hockey India 11-3-1. 12 hockey legends were felicitated and the book 100 Years of Indian Hockey was launched as 1,000 matches were played nationwide to mark the milestone.
इंडियन हॉकी का 100 साल का बहुत सुवर्ण इतिहास रहा है। सालों तक हॉकी में हम दुनिया में विजेता रहे, ओलंपिक्स में विजेता रहे और फिर से हॉकी का पुनः जागरण हो रहा है। आज हॉकी 100 के अवसर पर देश में 600 से अधिक स्थान पर 1500 से अधिक टूर्नामेंट आयोजित करी गई। हमारे हॉकी के प्लेयर स्टिक लेके मैदान में उतरे। मेरा पक्का विश्वास और मेरी श्रद्धा है कि यही आज मैदान में उतरने वाले हमारे हॉकी के प्लेयर भविष्य को हॉकी में भारत को बहुत बड़ी सफलता दिलवाएगा।
The second Inter-Office Futsal Tournament 2025 in West Khasi Hills concluded at Lionel Futsal Arena, Penang Ray, with Health Department A lifting the men's title, edging past fourth MLP BN Sopian A 2-1 in a tie-breaker. In the women's category, the PHE and Education combined team defeated fourth MLP BN Sopian 1-0. Prizes were presented by Lamkupar Solang, Divisional Officer Soil and Water Conservation Nongstoin at the closing ceremony. The weather report. First, let's take a quick look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was recorded at 30 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 14 degrees Celsius, and relative humidity was 46%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature was 11 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature was 25 degrees Celsius, and relative humidity was 73%. Meanwhile, in Juai, minimum temperature was